Hey everybody, I'm here today with a simple driving lesson on exiting a roundabout. What you see right here is my really sad drawing of a roundabout. And a lot of people are familiar with entering a roundabout, which I did a separate video on, but I'm going to go over exiting a roundabout in this video. So when you enter a roundabout, you obviously have to be in the right lane and so forth, but exiting is just a little bit different. There's a little bit more involved. So I've drawn a dual carriageway roundabout, so a roundabout that has two separate lanes in either direction. Okay, now generally speaking, as a rule of thumb, the right lane is reserved for only turning right. So I'm just going to try and draw an arrow right there, just like that. So it's only right turns. Okay, and the center lane is usually reserved for straight and left turns only, and this is the reason that works. The right lane connects with the outer lane of the roundabout. So if I'm in the right lane here, I'm going to go in the outer lane, and this is how I exit. I'm going right, just like that. Everyone see that? Okay. So basically, the right lane is connected with the outer lane. If I'm in here and I'm making a right, I'm going like this in the outer lane, right. Okay, and I end up in the right lane. So I start in the right lane, I end up in the right lane. I start in the right lane, I end up in the right lane, as you can see right there. Same thing, if this person's coming out and making a right, they go in the outer lane and they make a right. Same thing with this person. They're making a right, they stick in the outer lane, make a right. Now, the left lane is usually reserved for exiting straight or left, and I'll show you how right here. So if I'm going to be going straight, then I can go into the inside lane like this when it's safe to do so, and from the inside lane I can go straight like that, or I can go from the inside lane left. Okay, so once again I can go straight or I can go left like that, and I start in the left lane, I end up in the left lane. I start in the left lane, I end up in the left lane. And this is usually, as a rule of thumb, at least where I live, how roundabouts work. So you start off, you exit in the same lane that you started off in. If I started off in the right lane, I exit in the right lane. If I started off in the left lane, I would exit in the left lane, as you can see right over here, okay? And that's how they work to prevent accidents and still allow everyone to sort of drive smoothly. Now, when you enter, you make sure you use the appropriate signal, you check your mirrors or blind spot, you come to a stop or yield, you do all of that stuff. But when it comes to exiting, the key factor is make sure your signal's on the entire way so people know which way you plan on going. If I was turning left, I would signal left here, and I would make sure my left signal stayed on for the entire duration, okay? And you end up in the same lane that you started in. If you start in the left lane, you end up in the left lane. And the reason this works is because this person over here will not interfere with this person, as you can see. Okay, they're using the outside lane, we're using the inside lane. We don't interfere with each other, we never cross paths. Okay, that's basically, as a rule of thumb, how to exit a roundabout. Now, like I said, it might be different where you live, and if you're dealing with a single lane roundabout, it's different because there's just one lane, right? It's a little bit easier, to be honest with you. You just enter the roundabout when it's safe to do so and when it's legal to do so, and you exit wherever you have to exit. There's just one lane. But when it's a dual carriageway roundabout, like this, 2 lanes, then you have to sort of use these rules. And that's it. That is the simple driving lesson on exiting a roundabout. I just wanted to go over that simple rule to end off in the same lane that you started in, just to clarify how to do it. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.